My name is M. Srinivasrao. I am taking care of total project head. So you are in Astral Pipes stall. So Astral is a most premium brand in India. So we are supplying almost 90% of builders in Hyderabad and AP Telangana. So we have very much huge range of products we have. You see, my products are CPVC pipes is there. This in this very high-end builders. So many builders are using this product. This PEX is there. PEX is a new product. In India, we are the highest sale in India. So Multipro is there. D-Rex, Telerex is there. Telerex is this product is useful in underground drainage pipes. So and after that this Georex pipes is there. Georex is useful for subsoil perforated pipes. Foam core pipes are underground drainage pipes, and drain master is there. Drain master also using for SWR pipes. These fittings are also available. All fittings are available in this. Drain Pro is there. Drain Pro is a PP material. It's a high-end product. So total this product is you check it, this product this thickness and this gauge also very high. It's if you break this product, we are unable to break this product because this product is made by PP material, and this product is a very hard product. This is Silencio. Silencio is a PP material, low noise pipes. So in this so many ranges are there. This is Aquasafe product. This Haraton product. This is surface drainages principle. Electrical pipes, we have electrical pipes also, and this is drain tops. This type drain top. This is also perforated pipe is there. It's agricultural base. So many products are there. We have tanks also. So we have much range is there. So you check it in India. This Astral is most preferred brand in India. We have Allu Arjun brand ambassador. You check it, Allu Arjun brand ambassador. We recently taken. So my quality is best pipes we are manufacturing in India.